最新的消息来看，川普宣布甲咱台湾扣32%的对等关税。罗总统是随下令成立谈判小组去美国协商。白宫国家经济会议主席哈塞就证实，台湾已经有甲因联络啊。另外，以色列总理纳坦雅胡伊即马已经去到白宫，嘛正做这一届关税风波头一个甲川普面对面协商的国家总理。
美国总统川普拜六球拍煞，虽然伫咧登去华府的空军1号专机顶头讲，伊的对等关税政策是一贴整顿市场的药啊。
I don't want anything to go down, but sometimes you have to take medicine to fix something. We have been treated so badly by other countries because we had stupid leadership that allowed this to happen. They took our businesses, they took our money, they took our jobs.
川普讲，已经有真侪国家的领导人亲自敲电话，希望针对关税进行谈判。
I've spoken to many countries. They all want to do, just so you understand the power of what I'm doing. Every country is calling and being very solicitous of us. Very, very nice. They're being very nice.
白宫经济团队轮流伫咧媒体替政策背书。白宫国家经济会议主席哈塞特证实已经收到台湾的联络交涉。约拿财政部长贝森特是强调，川普是不是愿意协商，或者是关税政策是不是永久性质，拢是川普家己决定。
Well, I think that's going to be a decision for President Trump, but I can tell you that as only he can do at this moment, he's created maximum leverage for himself.
川普对以色列加扣17%的关税，以色列总理纳坦雅胡已经到白宫，是这边关税乱局第一位跟川普面对面协商的国家领导人。另外，欧盟宣布要对美国商品提出保护措施，总共280亿美金，换算代表9300亿。公司新闻综合报道。